If you don't remember anything from this whole video, remember this. So you may be stuck on how to grow your YouTube channel. I'm gonna show you how I went from 243 subscribers to now nearly 10,000. I'm gonna show you what I changed and how you can do this also coming up next. Hey, what's going on, and welcome back to my channel. If you want TikTok and YouTube tips and tricks, make sure you click that subscribe button. This way I can continue to bring you tutorials and helpful videos like this. So how to gain more subscribers on YouTube. You've probably been at this for a while. Maybe you are under 100, 300 or 500, or you don't even have 1,000 subscribers yet, and you are putting in work and grinding, but you seem to be getting no traction and going nowhere. Well, stay tuned, because I'm gonna show you some things that can speed up your process and save you a lot of time. So let's be clear, the first things first, on every intro and at the beginning of every video you make, you need to be specifically clear on what this video is about and how it's going to bring value to the person watching so they can continue watching. A perfect example is how I started off this video. You don't want the first minute of your video being a long introduction. You kind of want to go ahead and get down to the nitty-gritty. Once you have an overall view of what this video is going to be about and you've told your viewers who have clicked on the video, make sure you genuinely ask them to subscribe. A lot of subscribers are being missed because no one's really asking. People come to your video like a search engine like Google, and they want to find what they're looking for, they find it, and then they just watch it. Have you ever searched on Google for something and subscribed to Google? No, you search for it, you get the information, and you're gone. But YouTube's a little bit differently. So if you're going to want to increase your subscriber base, then you want to include that at the beginning and of course at the end of your video. And also you can use some animations midway during the video to ask for subscribers. Now, if you already know what your target audience is going to be on YouTube, one of the things that I highly suggest is that you begin focusing on getting your videos in YouTube's search results. A tool that I recommend also is TubeBuddy. I will have TubeBuddy in the description below. This will help you get your videos the right search engine optimization, the correct keywords and hashtags, so you're not wasting time, and also can help you out with thumbnails and just things that will help your videos to appear in the YouTube search results when people are searching for particular topics. If you don't remember anything from this whole video, remember this: don't rush your videos. I'm talking about recording, editing, lighting, the information you're putting in there, because it's very important to deliver quality over quantity. People want to know, how many videos should I put out on YouTube? Should I put them out every single day, every other day, once a week? From my experience, I learned that quality is better than quantity, and I focus on putting out a video once a week or once every 2 weeks, but I try to stick to a weekly schedule. And then in that video, I make sure that I have the content in there that people searched for, so it can help them, and so that they leave with some value and they learn something new, or they discovered something new that they didn't know about, whether it's YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. And so you want to make sure, do your research. It actually matters if you know what you're talking about before you hit the record button on the camera. There is nothing like having a good thumbnail. You've spent work in recording this video. You've put maybe an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours for those that are really in depth in making the video. And now it's time to design the thumbnail. Don't put up some random thumbnail. I've seen many videos with just a picture and simple words across it. You want to spend a little bit of time, you know, whether it's vlogging or a how-to tutorial, a TikTok video, a compilation. You want to spend a little bit of time giving people a reason to click on that video. How is your video going to stand out when it does show up and appear in YouTube search results? Why should they click on your video versus the other videos? Now that you've made the video, now we gotta cause them to click on it, which is going to increase your click-through rate. Trying to get your videos to appear in the suggested section. And one of the ways that you can cause your videos to appear in suggested videos to watch, an example would be is if you're watching a video, whether it's on a PC or an Imac or even on your phone, it shows, you know, suggested other videos to watch. The only reason your videos would show up there is if it has something to do with a current video that they're watching. So before you make a new video, what you can do is go on YouTube, search for the type of video you might want to make, see what's already there, look at those videos. And if your content is something similar to those, watch those, get some ideas, make a video that's somewhat similar to that, but of course bring your new information, your own discoveries, something different that you can implement or bring to the table. This way, when people search for those videos, your videos will also appear in the suggested videos to watch. The fastest way to grow your YouTube channel is to make sure you pick a niche. Pick one, stick with it. This is going to help get you followers daily, weekly, and even monthly, because people know that your channel is about something specific. So if you're into photography, maybe your YouTube channel is not just about photography, but it's about how to get the correct lighting indoors and outdoors. If your YouTube channel is on cooking, let's say it's about how to make the best homemade recipes, rather than it's just about cooking in general. For example, for me, for my YouTube channel, it's not just about TikTok compilations or viral TikTok trends. It's about how to do specific things on TikTok. You know, TikTok tips and tutorials, tricks, how to get more followers, how to get this feature. It's specific. So you want to make sure that your channel is niched down so that you can target a particular audience. One of the main reasons your video may not be getting any traction, but the few followers that it might get, is because you are making videos that people aren't searching for. It's one thing to assume and think that people are going to subscribe to your channel and you're going to get a lot of views because people like you, they like you, and that's why you think they might want to subscribe to your channel. But no, the reason why they're going to subscribe to your channel and your video is going to get a lot of views is because of the title of your video. What are you going to title your video, and what's going to be in the description, and what's going to be the hashtags that you're going to use? So for an example, if I am going to make a video about my weekend in the Bay Area, no one's going to be searching for my weekend in the Bay Area. What they'll likely be searching for is San Francisco Bay Area tourist trips. So I might want to make the title of my video My Weekend in the Bay at San Francisco, or My Weekend in San Francisco, the most toured place in the United States. Something like that. San Francisco tourist destination, hottest spots. You want to make it something that people are searching for. I do a lot of Christian videos as well, and so I could just be uploading random Christian videos, or I could make a video specifically on how to hear the voice of God. That video never gets low search results. People are always typing up how to hear the voice of God. How can I hear from God? So if you're doing that particular genre, know what you're talking about. Do your studying to show yourself approved. If I'm making a video, or my wife, on beauty, hair, and makeup, I'm not just saying, you know, watch me do someone's makeup. She's gonna title the video, how to apply this type of mascara to this skin tone. You know, people are searching for that. What type of makeup should I use for, you know, this type of skin tone? It needs to be specific. Treat YouTube just like Google, and your channel will grow. What I've done over time, you want to have your channel have a specific theme to it, you know, where people can recognize your videos. If you're switching it up all the time and each thumbnail is totally different, when it pops up in people's feed, they're not going to necessarily know, oh, this is a video from so-and-so. But if you start trying to create a theme, a color scheme of what your channel, it's called branding yourself. This way, you know, whether people will watch it or not, at least they know, oh, that's a video by so-and-so. You know, so you want to begin to do that. This way people can identify and recognize you just uploaded a video. Reason being is because a lot of notifications don't go out to all of your subscribers. Hey guys, this is just part 1 of this. I will be making a part 2 on how to grow your YouTube channel. And like I said, once again, these are things that can save you time and money. Don't spend all day trying to edit a video, or maybe you're spitting out, you know, a video every day, but the quality of the video is just not there. You know, it's better for you to do one video a week, one video every 2 weeks, or one video every other day, and make sure that there is value in the video. And also using the right titles, the right description, the right hashtags. All right, guys, so hey, once again, subscribe to this video if it has helped you out in any way. Share it with someone who can benefit from it. And until next time, I will see you on the next video.